Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Lumafusion. In order to do so, first off, if you're looking for your subscription options at the bottom right hand corner, you'll find under features and under available for purchase that you have primarily here it's the story blocks for Lumafusion. You'll see this is where you can set up a subscription. You have the monthly and the yearly. However, if you look through here, you're not going to be able to find any options related to canceling the subscription. The reason for that is because you're going to need to do that through the settings of your device itself. And so we're going to go ahead and go over to our settings. And from here, you're looking for your subscriptions. Your subscriptions are going to be in your personal settings. And then from here, you'll see the subscriptions option here. Once you click on that, you'll see your various subscriptions that you have here. And if you had an active subscription with Lumafusion, then this is where it would show up here at the top. We'll just use Google as an example here. If you click on that, then that's where you're going to see the cancel subscription option. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.